Dear student, in this video we will learn chapter number 5, expansion formulae, practice set 5.3. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it today itself. Let's start. Here we have question number 1, expand. In that we have first question, cube of 4 minus p. This question is in the form of a minus b the whole cube. So we will use a minus b the whole cube equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b raised to 3. Okay, we will use this formula to expand the given question. Look at the first term of the binomial. Okay, what it is? 4. So, okay, so here we will take a as 4. Okay, and the second term of the binomial is over here p. So here we will take p as b. So this is a and this is b. So what we will do, we will substitute value of a and b in this formula. So equal to a raised to 3. What is a? 4. 4 whole raised to 3 minus 3 into a square. What is a? 4. 4 square into b, that is p. Okay, so you can see that here we have 3a square b, right? This is 3a square b plus 3 into a, that is 4, into b. What is b over here? P. P the whole square. Okay, so you can see that this is 3ab square, right? This is 3ab square plus, sorry, minus b the whole raised to 3. What is b? It's a p whole raised to 3. After substituting the value of a and b in this formula, we will simplify it further. 4 raised to 3 means 4 into 4 into 4, that would be 64, minus, now here first we will take square of 4, and square of 4 is 16, right? And 16 into 3 is 48, 48p, plus 3 into 4 is 12, 12p square, minus p raised to 3. So you can see that here, okay, square of 4 is 16 and 16 into 3 is 48. So here we will get 48p, and here 3 into 4 is 12, 12p square, okay, minus p raised to 3. So 4 minus p whole raised to 3 equals to 64 minus 48p plus 12p square minus p raised to 3. Now here we have question number 2, cube of 7x minus 9y. We will use the same formula to expand this. A minus b the whole cube equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b raised to 3. Okay, so here 7x we will take as a. Okay, the first term of the question is a, right? And here this is b. Okay, so b is 9y. So at the place of a we will write 7x, and at the place of b we will write 9y. So we will get here 7x the whole cube, a cube, that is 7x, right? 7x the whole cube minus 3 into a square. What is a? 7x the whole square into b, that is 9y, right? You can see that this is 3a square b, right? 3a square b plus 3 into a, that is 7x, into b square, that is 9y square. So okay, so you can see that this part 3ab square, and this is 3ab square minus b the whole raised to 3, that is 9y the whole cube. Okay, after substituting the value of a, b in this formula, we will simplify further. So cube of 7x, means 7x into 7x into 7x, that gives us 343x cube, minus 3 into 7x the whole square will be 49x square into 9y, plus 3 into 7x into square of 9y, that is 9y into 9y, that would be 81y square, minus cube of 9y, that is 9y into 9y into 9y, that gives us 729y cube. Now here we will simplify this part, right? 3 into 49 x square into 9y and this one. Okay, we have to use BODMAS. So first we will do the multiplication. So we will get here 343x cube minus 3 into 49 into 9 would be 1323 x square y, plus 3 into 7 into 81 will be 1701 xy square minus 729y cube. Therefore 7x minus 9y the whole cube equals to 343x cube minus 1323 x square y plus 1701 xy square minus 729y cube. Now here we have the third question, cube of 58. 58 can be written as 60 minus 2. Okay, 60 minus 2 is 58. So I'm writing 58 as 60 minus 2. Okay, so 60 minus 2 the whole cube. Now this question is in the form of a minus b the whole cube. So we will use this formula, right? A minus b the whole cube equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b raised to 3. Now here we can take the first term of the binomial as a, right? This is your a. So a equals to 60. Okay, and this one 2 we will take as b. So at the place of a we will write 60 and at the place of b we will write 2. So we will substitute here value of a and b. A raised to 3. Okay, your first term is a raised to 3. And what is a here? 60. 60 the whole cube minus 3 into a square. Okay, what is a? 60. So 60 square into b, that is 2, plus 3 into a, that is 60, into 2 square, b square, that is 2 square, minus 2 the whole raised to 3. Okay, now cube of 60 means 60 into 60 into 60, that gives us 2,16,000 minus 3 into square of 60, that is 3,600 into 2, plus 3 into 60 into square of 2, that would be 4, minus 8, right, equals to 216,000. Now here we will multiply this. Okay, this part we will multiply this. Okay, what we will get? 21,600. Similarly we will multiply this, right? 3 into 60 into 4, we will get 720 minus 8. 2,16,000 minus 21,600 gives us 194400, and 720 minus 8 will be 712. Now we will add these two numbers, we will get 195112, that is 1,95,112. So the cube of 58 is 195,112. Now here we have question number 4, 2p minus 1 upon 2p the whole cube. It is in the form of a minus b the whole cube. So we will use the same formula to simplify this, right? That is a minus b the whole cube equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b raised to 3, right? So here the first term is 2p, that is a, right? And here the second term is 1 upon 2p, that would be b. So we will substitute here value of a and b. So a raised to 3, that is 2p the whole cube, minus 3 into a square. What is a? 2p. 2p the whole square into b. What is b over here? 1 upon 2p, plus 3 into a, that is 2p, into b square. What is b? 1 upon 2p. So 1 upon 2p the whole square, minus b raised to 3. What is b over here? 1 upon 2p. So 1 upon 2p the whole cube. Okay. Now we'll simplify this further. So cube of 2p will be 8p cube. Okay. Now here we will simplify this part first. Right. We will take the square of this. Okay. So what we will get here? Minus 3 into square of 2p will be 4p square into 1 upon 2p, plus similarly here we will take square of 1 upon 2p first. So we will get here 3 into 2p into square of 1 is 1, square of numerator. What is numerator over here? 1, that is 1. Square of 1 is 1 and denominator is 2p, and square of 2p is 4p square. So we'll get 1 upon 4p square, minus cube of 1 upon 2p. Cube of 1 is 1 and cube of 2p is 8p raised to 3. So we will get here 1 upon 8p raised to 3. Now we will get here 8p cube minus, now look at over here, how to simplify further. Now over here we will cancel one of the p from here, right? Now here 2 ones are and here 2 twos are. Okay, after the cancellation what we will get? 3 into 2 into 1, 6p, right? Plus similarly here also we will do the cancellation. Okay, we can cancel one of the p from over here. 2 ones are and here 2 twos are. So what we will get here? 3 into 1, that is 3 upon 2p, 3 upon 2p, minus 1 upon 8p cube. So 2p minus 1 upon 2p the whole cube equals to 8p cube minus 6p plus 3 upon 2p minus 1 upon 8p raised to 3. Now here we have question number 5, x upon 3 minus 3 upon x the whole cube. Okay, now over here this is your first term, that would be a, and this is your second term, that would be b, and this question is in the form of a minus b the whole cube. Okay, so we will use the same formula. Okay, a minus b the whole cube equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b raised to 3. So what is the a over here? Okay, a will be x raised to 3, and what would be b? 3 upon x. So at the place of a we will write x upon 3, and at the place of b we will write 3 upon x, equals to a raised to 3. What is a? X upon 3. X upon 3 the whole cube minus 3 into a square. What is a? X upon 3. X upon 3 the whole square into b, that is 3 upon x, plus 3 into a, that is x upon 3, into b square, that is 3 upon x. 3 upon x the whole square minus 3 upon x the whole cube, equals to, now we will take the cube of x upon 3. So cube of numerator is x cube and cube of denominator is 27. So x cube upon 27 minus 3 into, now we will take square of x upon 3, that would be x square upon 9 into 3 upon x, plus 3 into x upon 3 into, now we will take square of 3 upon x, that would be 9 upon x square, minus cube of 3 upon x, that is 27 upon x cube. Okay, equals to x cube upon 27. Now over here minus, now we'll simplify the next part. Okay, here you can do the cancellation, 3 ones are and here 3 threes are, right? And this 3 will get cancelled with this 3, and one of the x will get cancelled with this 1x. So what will left? Minus x, plus similarly here we will do the cancellation. Okay, here 3 ones are and here 3, 3 is a, okay, and this one of the x will get cancelled. So what is left? 3 into 3 upon x, that means 9 upon x, minus 27 upon x cube. Question number 2. In that we have the first one, 3r minus 2k the whole cube plus 3r plus 2k the whole cube. Okay, to simplify this question, okay, to expand 3r minus 2k the whole cube, we will use a minus b the whole cube, and to expand 3r plus 2k the whole cube, we will use here a plus b the whole cube. So here a equals to, what is a over here? It's a 3r. Okay, in both the cases a is same. Okay, this is your a, right, and this is your b. Okay, b is same in both the binomials. Okay, so to expand 3r minus 2k, we will use this formula, right? We will use this formula to expand the first part of this question, to expand 3r minus 2k the whole cube, and to expand this one, okay, 3r plus 2k the whole cube, we will use this formula, a plus b the whole cube, correct? So let's see what we will get. We will go for the expand. Okay, equals to expand 3r minus 2k the whole cube, we will use formula of a minus b the whole cube. So a cube, that is 3r the whole cube, minus 3 into a square, that is 3r the whole square, into b, that is 2k, plus 3ab square, 3 into a, what is a? 3r the whole 3r, into b square, what is b? 2k, 2k the whole square, minus b raised to 3, that is 2k the whole cube. Okay, so you can see that to expand 3r minus 2k the whole cube, I have used this formula, right? And the expansion of this is this, right? This we got using a minus b the whole cube, right? Now we will expand the second part of this, okay, using this formula, okay, a plus b the whole cube. Okay, so what we will get? A cube, that is 3r the whole cube, plus 3 into a square, that is 3r the whole square, into b, that is 2k, plus 3 into a, that is 3r, into b square, that is 2k the whole square, plus b raised to 3, that is 2k the whole cube. Okay, so you can see I have expanded 3r plus 2k the whole cube using a plus b the whole cube formula, and the expansion of this is this, right? That I have solved it using a plus b the whole cube formula, right? Now after solving this, okay, equals to, okay, look at this one. Now we will simplify this, 3r the whole cube. Okay, what will you get? 3r the whole cube, 27r cube, minus 3 into square of 3r, right? You can see here we have a square of 3r. What will get square of 3r? We'll get 9r square into 2k, plus 3 into 3r into square of 2k. Okay, square of 2k. What will get? 4k square, minus cube of 2k. Okay, here we have cube of 2k, so we'll get here minus 8k cube. Close the bracket. Now we will expand the second part same way, 3r the whole cube. Okay, we will expand now this part. Okay, this part. So what we'll get here? 27r cube plus 3 into square of 3r is 9r square into 2k, plus 3 into 3r into square of 2k, that is 4k square, plus cube of 2k, that is 8k cube. Okay, now we will simplify this further. What we'll get equals to 327r cube. Now here we will simplify this, right? What we will get, 3 into 9 into 2 is 54r square k. Okay, plus multiply this, 4 into 3 into 3, 36r k square minus 8k raised to 3 plus 27r cube. Now here we will solve this part. Okay, that is 3 into 9r square into 2k. What we will get, 54r square k, plus we will multiply this, 3 into 3r into 4k square. What we will get, 36rk square plus 8k cube equals to. Okay, now we will simplify further. Look at over here, minus 54r square k and plus 54r square k will be 0, so we will cancel this. Similarly, minus 8k raised to 3 and plus 8k raised to 3 we will get cancel. Okay, we will cancel this. So what is left now, 27r cube plus 27r cube will be 54r cube. Now 37rk square plus 36rk square equals to 72rk square. So we have simplified the first question of main question 2.